Will you be participating in the confirmation hearing, and what would you hope to accomplish?
I will be. I'm a member of the Senate Judiciary Committee, and I, as all members, I think, take that responsibility very seriously. So I will be participating. And, you know, there's a lot at stake when we look at the Supreme Court. It is the issue of the Affordable Care Act, and I'm going to be very focused on whether there is going to be a process of reviewing that lawsuit that Donald Trump has brought to get rid of the Affordable Care Act, because he tried to get rid of everything Barack Obama created. I'm going to look to see if there is going to be fairness and integrity as applied to the review of that case. I'm going to be looking at the issue of Roe versus Wade and whether there is going to be an adherence to precedent and an adherence to a woman's right to make decisions about her own body, with her family, with her God, with her physician. I'm going to look to see if there is going to be a commitment to the integrity of the law in protecting workers' rights, including the right to collective bargaining, including the right to equal pay for equal work. Those are the kinds of things I'm going to look for.
If Judge Barrett is confirmed, should she pledge to recuse herself from cases involving Donald Trump?
Well, let's wait to see. But I think that there's no question that Donald Trump has interfered with branches of government and agencies for which he has no he has no right. I think, for example, when you talk about something like this, the United States Department of Justice, and how he and Bill Barr have, I think, colluded and conspired in many ways to manipulate the United States Department of Justice in the interest of Donald Trump and not the interest of the people of the United States. So we'll see.
If Judge Barrett is confirmed and the Democrats have control of the Senate next year and the White House and the House of Representatives, should the Supreme Court be expanded?
You know what, I think that, first of all, Joe's been very clear that he is going to pay attention to the fact, and I'm with him on this 1,000%, pay attention to the fact that right now, Lawrence, people are voting. They're voting. This is not, you know, some can debate about, you know, election year. Should a sitting president be allowed or able to nominate someone to the United States Supreme Court for a lifetime appointment? This is not even an election year. This is like, we're actually in the election. People started voting. People have been voting. Almost 1 million Americans have voted. People will be voting next week. People will be voting up until Election Day, and they have a right in an election to elect their next president, who then will make the decision about who will be the nominee. And sadly, my Republican colleagues in the Senate are violating, I think, that most important right that the American people have, which is to choose their president, who will serve for a lifetime on the United States Supreme Court, and especially during an election, not just an election year, but during an election. This election is 36 days from today. People have been voting. It's wrong.